Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 2025 Hot Wheels pop culture. I had put out a poll in the YouTube community and you people chose pop culture more than the neon speedsters. But do not worry, after pop culture, even the neon speedsters review will be out. So now without wasting time, so let's dive into the 2025 Hot Wheels pop culture which has just landed in India. The first car that I would like to show you from this set is the 71 Porsche 911. Before I show you the car in much detail, I would want to show you the other things in here. You have the Hot Wheels Premium logo there, Hot Wheels Pop Culture logo. All the cars in this series come with metal real riders. That is, it has metal body, metal base and rubber tires. Except one, we have a Jet, it has no tires. So you even have the Mattel's logo there. Now let's look at few of the details mentioned at the back of the card. The MRP still stands at 549 and the month and year of manufacturing is 3/20/25 and then the month and year of import is 4/20/25. So now without wasting time, let me show you the car in much great detail. First look at the card art. The card art is fantastic here. This is from the Top Gun Maverick movie. And the card art is fantastic here. So look how nice it is. Now talking about the car now. So we have the 71 Porsche 911 and I'm very happy with the color they have chosen here. That is grey here. It is so nice. It is giving the classic feel. So looking at the front details. So you have the painted headlights and there's that small Porsche logo in the middle. That is actually very cute and I love it. Talking about this car, it comes with side view mirrors. Obviously it is Hot Wheels Premium, so they should keep in mind about all this. So the wheels and the car match very well. Few of them may have different opinions. And in talking about the rear end, you have Porsche written there. So the tiny letters, again, it makes it very cool. This is the top of the car. And now going to the base, it obviously comes with metal base because this is Hot Wheels Premium and all the cars in this series is made in Indonesia. So this was the 71 Porsche 911. So do let me know in comments what do you think. So let's move on to the next car in this series. This is one of my favorites. So you have the 92 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. This is from the Jurassic Park. Look how nice the card art is. And if you had to ask me which is the best card art among the five, so I would say this is the best card art in this set. You even have the Jurassic Park logo there and the color combination and everything used in this car is fantastic. So now let me show you the front of this Jeep Wrangler Sahara. So look at the amount of detail, the grille details and everything. It is so cool there. The headlights and everything is placed perfect. And there's that Jeep 18 on the bonnet there. Again, it is very nice. And Jeep 18 again on the side. And then you have the Jurassic Park logo there. It is a very cool Jeep, I must say. And many of them are in a dilemma if they have to pick it or not. I would personally say go with it. Porsche and this is a must have in your collection, and especially I love the wheels used here. It comes with the red and black combination. It is very great. And talking about the base, this is the black base and it is very nice. So this is the 92 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. Moving forward, there's only one concern for me, that is these Hot Wheels Premiums are not very heavy. And this is the car that is one of the heaviest in this set, and this is from the MTV. So you have the logo there and then you have the Headbangers Ball logo there again. So I'm not much aware of it, so people who know it very well, so do let me know in comments so I learn about them. So look at the tour bus. In fact, when I saw the set, I was not quite happy, but when I got it in my hands, I love this casting. So now let's look at the front here. So when you look at the front, it has that wiper detail there that amazed me because I had not noticed it until I got it in my hands. Then you even have the painted headlights detail there. Again, this comes with side view mirrors and there's that Headbangers Ball logo there and the MTV logo placed behind this. And Again, there's an MTV logo at the back and it has painted tail lamps. And talking about the top here, there's a lot of detailing here. So this is very, very cool when it comes to Hot Wheels Premium. And then this is the base of this HW Tour bus. And this is the first one in my collection and I love this casting. So do let me know in comments what do you think about this particular casting, because I really want to know what do you think. Moving on, this is one of the best ones to unbox, trust me. So in my coming videos, I'll probably unbox this one and display it because it is worth to unbox it. Card art here, it is not that great, I would say, when you compare it to the other cars in this series. So this is from the G.I. Joe and it is a movie series. So people who have watched the movie, you would obviously know this one. So as I told, there is this one which has no tires. This is the Combat Jet Skystriker. So look how nice it is. It is only made up of metal because it has no tires. Instead you get a stand which is given by Hot Wheels, and when you place it on the stand, this gives the epic feel. And now talking about the jet here, so there's a lot of detailing here which I love the most, and this is a very good display piece. Talking about the sides here and the other details, it is fantastic. And other cool feature is that when you unbox it, you can actually move the wings. That is a very, very cool feature. So do let me know if you have already unboxed this one. So this is the back of it. Again, the details are very, very cool. Though the card art is not like very good compared to the other ones, but this is surely a display piece that you can add it in your collection. Let's move on to the next one. The next one I'm a bit disappointed because Hot Wheels got it back. I had already had this in my collection from the Barbie Audi Pop Culture series, but then here they do not give the single casting, so I had to buy the whole set. So this is the second one in my collection. But I feel that Hot Wheels could have made little bit changes because it is exactly the copy paste. At least they could have changed the base that you will see it now. So overall the card art is fantastic again. And I love the card art and I love this car too. No hatred towards anything. So now talking about the front here. So there's a lot of details and then these antennas on top move. And there's another moving part here that is actually, you can see this space here. You can actually move the door here. It again comes with a spoiler and then this is the rear end. And they could have at least changed the base because the other car that I have is also having the green base and everything is did to a copy paste. So that is the only sad part about this set. Overall, this is again a very heavy casting. So do let me know in comments what do you think. But if you had to ask me, I would pick these two as my favorite. And then I would say these are my favorites. So do let me know in comments what do you think. And do check out our other videos. Please like, comment and subscribe. And see you guys in my next video.